Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been a while, but I'm finally getting back on the vlogs here. So Cllectve is finally back. It's definitely been a while. So today's just gonna be a simple vlog. Just working on the cars. It's currently nighttime here, as you can see, and I've been heading over to my friend Ben's house, and we're gonna install quick releases on my bumper, do some housework for him, and then hopefully you guys get to see his MR2 today, and we might install a short shifter on it depending on when we finish with everything else. But yeah, right now I'm going to be driving over to his place. I'll update you guys once I get there, alright? Oh, you can't see me. Just made it to Ben's place. Gonna go inside, eat. He made dinner for me, and then we'll get started with the install on the quick releases, and hopefully get to the MR2 tonight so you guys can see it. There he is. Mr. Ben.
Dance studio, why?
Find out, ask my mom what size she is, because she's working right now.
12?
I think he's in a private phone call.
Is there two color options, or is it one color option?
Just one. It was white and red, right?
Well, it would be on whatever that.
And that was a size 12?
But yeah, we're gonna go eat, and then we'll start filming. And we're back. We just finished eating. I'm super tired. I was really not gonna install the quick release, but
Oh, there we go. Look at that light.
I was lazy. Oh, also, I thought the MR2 was at Ben's uncle's place, but he towed it here. So here it is. So look cool,
Hey. Don't
what?
Don't diss it.
Okay. It's actually, it's fire. How easy do you think the short shifter will be? Oh yeah. So, here's the engine, and there's the But yeah, we just got it running, what, like a month ago? Wow, that sounds so long.
There's no battery in it, so
Yeah.
can't start it right now.
And even if we did, it'd be crazy loud. I feel like your neighbors would kill someone.
There's no blow off valve because someone flopped.
I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. My cousin's supposed to buy this blow-off valve because Ben is Mr. Blitz, so he's gonna buy a Blitz blow-off valve. But
It's still gonna do it.
yeah, I mean you already took it off, so might as well put it on, right?
I mean, like it's like one bolt, right?
Yeah. Yeah, was it? It was super easy to take off, right?
One bolt.
But yeah. Oh, this is the sick part. So this guy, way back, what was this, like probably like 2009?
7.
I don't even know what kind of headlights these are.
I don't know
eBay headlights.
They're like sonar. They're called sonar.
Super fire. So he doesn't have the pop-up lights like the normal MR2. But yeah, once everything is running, bodywork hopefully soon. Not another 10 years. Bro, if you don't do bodywork on this, I will personally paint this with rattle cans. Yeah, let me pull up my car and then we can get started. Yes, sir. I'm scared to drill with my bumper, bro. Yeah, really not, but I'm just scared of drilling into the wrong place.
I'm scared of the wrap.
I think the it might curl up and fucking.
Yeah, it does.
Oh yeah, I need to do an update on my car. They haven't seen the car since it was almost stock body except for WX suspension. But I'll do that.
JD in front.
I don't even think they saw JD up front.
And different grill too.
Yeah, and different grill, and wrapped. Like the biggest part. Yeah, so I'll do that another time. But the car's white right now. And I got a funny story to explain. The badge that fell off on the highway. But yeah, we're gonna start getting everything off, and then we'll update you guys. So just took off the bumper. I'm kind of unsure on how to install this stuff, but Tommy and I will figure out, right? So I know that you have to take off your bumper bracket that clips in. So this was originally sitting here. Just pop it off, and then you use these holes down here, and you put it through. So let's see how that goes. Oh man, I dropped the washer.
Right here?
Second one. Oh no, install gone wrong, bruh. Oh, it's right here. Oh yeah, APR splitter. I got this for a steal, and it was from Hawkeye WX, I'm pretty sure. Which hole should I use? This one probably?
Well, what do you think? You want it more in or more out?
I gotta be happy with it here.
Why is it? I'm speeding.
My toes! So this one goes on first. Oh yeah, these are from Righteous Garage. So if you guys are in KW, hit him up. He's located in Cambridge. Is it not focusing? Oh no, let me do the beauty guru shit. Is it working? Is it working? Is it working? Is it working? Okay, fire. So washer goes in behind.
I can't open up my trunk. Unless there's battery.
Yo, how much is this supposed to be sticking out?
Enough to put in.
That's sticking out really far. How is it supposed to stick out this far?
No, I think that's good. It's cause it has
Wait.
to go through this too, right?
Think about it, when the bumper clips in.
Well, mock it up, see. Well,
Yeah.
wait, can you push it in more or no?
No, it's hitting my windshield wash fluid. Oh no, wait. Oh wait, I can remove this. I don't need it. 10 mil, my toolbox. Did you fart into the camera, by the way?
Yes.
Apparently this is just a silencer or something. A lot of people remove it.
That right there?
Yeah. This connects to my intake box. It seems so
Oh.
pointless. So you just take out that one bolt and pop it off. Okay, I thought it'd be. Why would you? Ow. I don't want to do this anymore. No! I don't have 10 mil.
I do.
10 mil wrench? Ratchet?
Ratchet or wrench?
Ratchet. Oh, my booty crack is out right now.
Ratchet or wrench?
Ratchet. I don't have wrenches. Oh, you do not have any ratchets. Or, yeah.
Ratchet?
Like one of these, whatever this is called, wrench.
That's a wrench. I asked you so many times.
broski. We can't do it.
Why?
I'm kidding. I'll figure out a way.
I know
Okay.
you will.
Where?
This bolt. Unless you have a small 10 mil.
Which one?
Do you have a stubby?
one?
Yeah, do you have a stubby 10 mil? Broski!
Oh, I forgot it goes all the way. It's too chunky.
Mine's a little slimmer, you know? Handle. Never mind, you have one for a call.
Oh, yeah.
I'm really bad at picking up the camera.
Raj Deep is coming in 15 minutes.
Oh, it's a broski!
Huh?
A broski is on his way.
A broski.
Broski.
Name's Raj Deep. Kidding. His name is
Oh,
Abhi.
bro, don't tell me I have to remove my intake box. Man, this aggravated. I'm aggravated.
Yo, you know what we should do? Put that on and get a vice grip.
Are you crazy? Wait, do you have vice grips?
Oh, it's upstairs, isn't it?
Man's fetching out ideas but don't have the tools for it. Still?
You're 14%.
Battery life?
Yeah,
Oh,
okay.
No. Okay, yeah, we'll cut it.
We'll
from
just
here.
show you guys the end product.
Alright, guys, so we finished installing it. I look like yeah. Oh yeah, we sold the tires too. The guy came in a Volkswagen. You don't think it's gonna fit, right? Guaranteed.
Hell no.
I know for sure he's putting on that Volkswagen.
Yeah.
And so we just kind of blocked his number. We kind of screwed him over, but we're not bad people, I swear.
Read the description.
Yeah. So we finished installing it. Bumpers on, and that's what it looks like.
Show us.
That was in my face, bro.
Show us. Doesn't camera.
That was in my face.
Because you're like, wow, it smells so good.
That's what it looks like. Has RG on it for Righteous Garage. Kind of messed up the wrap. I don't know if you guys see up here,
It's not bad.
but I'm gonna rewrap this bumper anyways.
Pop it,
pop it.
wheels where you
Oh,
got
yeah. Oh,
Righteous Garage gave you those wheels, right?
holy.
Your 3-piece wheels.
Yeah, the 3-piece wheels. Righteous Garage, shout out. Punch,
popped it.
pop it, and just pull. And when you pop it in, yeah, very terrible wrap job. When you pop it in,
Oh, okay, that's pretty satisfying.
that is.
I like that. I do
It's just
like that.
right here kind of pisses me off.
I mean, you could have done it. Oh, you know.
No, there was no more. There was no more brackets back here.
But this is lighter.
Yeah. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Pretty fire. So are we doing shelves next or
MR2.
MR2? Because we're already out here. Yeah, time to
Walk
work on
around
the
what?
MR2. Walk around in my car.
Oh my.
Because they haven't seen it since ever. But yeah, here's a quick scan. Almost full SCI body kit aside from the skirts. And motor, yeah. I'm keeping it NA just because IS300 game. And I'd rather put all the engine money into that. So we'll do the MR2 now. Let's pre this interior real quick.
Yo, let's see what the chest first.
You never wear these go
No, not really.
Oh, did you do what I did?
Yeah.
Oh my god, son.
Where's the piece of wood? It's not in here. You don't have the brackets for it. Bro. Broski.
There's nowhere to put it, right?
Yeah, you don't have the mounting brackets for. Oh, wait. Alright, guys. Camera's gonna die. I wasn't prepared for this. But, we'll update next time when everything's fully in. And hopefully the MR2 you guys will see running. But yeah, I'll end it here and nice vlogging with you guys again. Peace.